Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUD USD, Australian dollar, US dollar for 9th April 2021. So this analysis is for 9th April only. You'll see me next week again with the analysis for the coming week. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And if you're a complete beginner and if you have no idea how the market functions and you want to learn about the chart, the supply and demand zones of the market, then I have recently updated a course on YouTube by the name Forex and Stock Learning Course for Beginners in my YouTube channel. Okay, this is the course for complete beginners who wants to learn the basic stuff about the market. Okay, because I have recently understood from my comments and messages that many people have lost their money only because they do not have proper understanding. The basic knowledge is missing. So this course will tell you or covered all the basic knowledge that you require. Because I was also a beginner once and I have also I had to face huge losses because I had no idea about the charting or how the chart works, how the chart functions, where I should buy, where I should sell. So this course will come in handy if you're a complete beginner. So do check out. Now let's jump to the chart. So this is the chart of Australian dollar, US dollar, and if you have watched my yesterday's video, then you have probably short the market right now and you are in a profit. Because I told you that once you get the confirmation that market will reverse from here, you short the market, and we can see that market has formed a red candle right now. And if we consider the overall chart, okay, if we consider this overall chart, then we can see that market came down, went up, came down, and right now market is in a range. Okay, market is in a range right now. If market crosses this particular line, then we will get a good opportunity to short the market. If once market crosses this level 0.7530 level, if market crosses this level, then we will be getting a good opportunity to short the market. But as of now, market is trading here. So what should be a strategy then? Okay. Before jumping to the strategy, let's check out the weekly time frame. Okay, this is the weekly time frame, and as you can see right now, previous week market has formed a hammer kind of a pattern with good price rejection from above, and this week market formed a small green candle with price rejection from above. And as you can see in the chart that there is no prominent supply or demand zone or any resistance or support zone is available. So nothing from the weekly chart as of now. Okay, so let's get back to the 4 hours time frame, the most beloved time frame by the traders, including me. See, as I mentioned, okay, this is the ultimate level to short term market. Okay, if market crosses this level, okay, then you'll get a good opportunity to short the market. But right now market is in a range, this range. And if you just concentrate on this part, then you can easily tell that market is now having proper direction. Market is consolidating, market is in a tight range, and in a range bound market like this, the strategy is always simple: buy above support, sell below resistance. Okay, so right now if you have short term market, then you're in a profit right now. But and if you're looking for a new opportunity or fresh opportunity, you'll have to wait for the market to come down to this particular level, because market has got some support at this level. So when market will reach this level, just observe the price. If you see that price is about to reverse from here, okay, then you can buy just above this support. This is your support 1 and this is your support 2 and this is your resistance. Okay, so right now market is coming down. Okay, so when market will come down and reach this particular level, first support, observe the price. If market bounces from here, buy above this support. How you will get the confirmation? You will get the confirmation in the form of a hammer, price rejection from below, or a green candle like this. Once you get the confirmation that yes, market is about to reverse from here, buy here. In case market crosses this first support level, you see that market has crossed the support level, selling pressure is high. Okay, wait for some time, observe the price. If you see that price is trading below this level for 3 to 4 hours and selling pressure is still present in the market, you can short the market here. You can short the market here, and this will be your target. Okay, this will be your target. And once market reaches this level, 0.7530 level, you can buy here. You can buy here if market reverses from. Okay, on the other hand, if market goes up from here, okay, if market goes up from here and reach this level, 0.7668, okay, or this particular level in this zone, just observe the price. Okay, just observe the price, how the price reacts. If you see that price struggles in this range, once market reaches this level, if price struggles, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this level is still a valid resistance for the market. And once you get a confirmation that yes, it is a valid resistance, you can short the market below this level. In case it crosses the level, okay, in case it crosses this particular level, then wait for 3 to 4 hours and just observe the price. Okay, just observe the price, how the price is doing. If you see the price is trading comfortably above this level for 3 to 4 hours, price is not struggling, okay, then you get the confirmation that yes, resistance has become the support now. And once you get a confirmation that resistance has become the support, you can go for a buy above this level. Okay, so market is in range right now, so I have explained how you can trade and make some quick profit from AUD USD for 9th April. Hopefully you have understood, and if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. See ya next week again, and do subscribe. Bye bye.